Check the brake fluid level. If the brake fluid is really full, you're going to want to take some out, because when you compress the calipers, it's going to push this brake fluid up so you can overfill it. So if it's really overfull, take it out down just a little bit. That's all that's left of the pad.
should have done this first. Hang on. Those might pop out. I'll do it right so you guys don't see me abuse my tools.
Alright, at this time, check the brake fluid level again. You want to make sure you're at least at the max line, because we're going to start the vehicle and pump the brakes a couple times. So you want to make sure that there's some brake fluid in there. We will check it again after the pump and the brakes, just to make sure that it's on. But we might need to top it off a little bit. So just make sure you got some brake fluid in there for now. Some people will reset the calipers by pumping the brakes without starting the car. I personally don't like doing that. I like to start the car and pump it up. I'm not really sure why. I can feel the difference in the pedals, so it makes a difference to me. But you'll feel the brake pedal go back to normal, and that's when you know you're good. So what we just did is reset the calipers. They're now flush against the brake pads. So again, check your brake fluid. Make sure you're on the max level. If you're not, fill it up. If it's over full, take some out. You want to be right on that max level there, which I seem to be, so good to go. So you've got new coated rotors. Now the thing with coated rotors is they do have a break-in period. So for the first day or two, they're gonna feel funny and they're gonna sound funny. All this will go away once that coating wears down and the pads are touching the actual metal on the rotor. I will give you an example of that in just a minute. When I take this for a quick drive, I'll show you how it wears off the coating. So I recommend that you give yourself just a little extra time for stopping. It is, like I said, you're going to hear, like when you come to a complete stop, it's going to kind of go, it's okay. It's going to feel weird. It's okay. Just, it'll only last about a day or two, and then everything will be back to normal. Now see, even after a test drive, it's still kind of hard to see. But you can see how the pads are starting to wipe away some of this coating. See how it's real silver here, and here it's turning back to metal. Now again, until that coating is completely gone, the brake system is going to feel a little weird, you know. So it might feel like it's slipping at the very end when you're coming to a complete stop. It might feel like it's slipping a little bit, and you might get a little bit of noise. Absolutely nothing to worry about. Once all that coating is gone, everything's going to go back to normal. So just want to make everybody aware of that. It does kind of scare some people the first time, and I don't always remember to remind everybody, so I figure this little video would probably help a little bit. So again, until that coating's gone, your brake's going to feel just a little bit weird, but everything is okay.